Let's go. Happy holidays. Welcome to the live video, everybody. We're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to create AI images using ChatGPT, all the latest AI generators, and I'm going to plug y'all guys in on the holidays. This is a little different from my usual setup because I'm with the in-laws and traveling, but a lot of people keep asking the question, so I figured, you know what? Why not make a tutorial? Why not make a fire video? So do me a huge favor, share this video because social media hates on your boy and they don't want me to, plug you guys in for some reason. And make sure you like and follow, subscribe, all the YouTube, TikTok stuff if you haven't already. And we just go get straight into it. So as you guys can see, man, I don't know if you guys have been checking out the profile. If you haven't, you should. But this has been the profile picture since we started Nexus The AI Hub. We started in early, I want to say June or July, but I think it's time to switch it up. So I wanted to show you guys my whole process and how you can create AI images and, be good to go. So first things first, you want to log into ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT.com. Don't be looking at all my tabs now. You want to log into ChatGPT.com, right? And if you're not familiar with ChatGPT yet, go all over my page filled with AI gems, plugging you in and giving you all the knowledge and game. And I'm telling you, ChatGPT is a game changer if you haven't used it yet. But you want to go into ChatGPT.com. And I will mention that this is for the paid users. So, go ahead and spend the best 20 bucks that you can ever spend, with ChatGPT and just get in it. And you can do so many different things. I've made so many different tutorials on the channel. But as far as how to create AI images, right? What you want to do is, so we're going to actually go into DALL-E 3. So DALL-E is their latest plugin, right? And let you guys see it right here. DALL-E is their latest plugin, and with DALL-E you can create images off the bat, and it's pretty impressive. And what you want to do is you want to have conversations with ChatGPT. And this is honestly why I like ChatGPT's image generation the most. So let's scroll down a little bit. So I did a cool thing too, and this is a pro tip that I guarantee you won't find on the internet, right? So earlier, I told ChatGPT, look at my TikTok data, and based on my TikTok data, give me some recommendations on how I can improve my reach and get to more followers and get more views and stuff like that. So I gave ChatGPT my data, and it gave me a whole list of different things that I could do, right? I don't know why our images are showing anymore. But I pretty much gave ChatGPT, some of my data, and I told it to, based on the data, let's make this profile picture. Get all this crap out the way. So let's see where we started. So this is where we started, right? Pull it back so you guys can see. So we started here. I said, I'm looking to rebrand the channel avatar. And this is our previous channel avatar. I'll miss you, my guy. I miss you, Big Nexus. I'm looking to rebrand the channel avatar. I need something more attention grabbing based on our data. Let's create a new one. And when I say based on our data, like I said earlier, I fed ChatGPT the analytics of my page, and we was having a quick conversation, quick. I was trying to figure out what I can do to reach more viewers like you, and this is the first image that it created, right? It gave me all this blah blah. I'm like, yo, just give me the image, ChatGPT, and voila, just like that, it gave me an image based on the data from my audience. And I thought this was pretty cool. I'm like, all right, this ain't bad, but y'all know me, man. We got to spice it up. We got to add our little twang to it. You feel me? So I told ChatGPT, yo, let's keep the gold, black, and blue color scheme. And boom, look at this. Now, this image is not bad, right? This image is not bad, but what I wanted to do is, so currently right now there's a trend going on, and people are creating images inside of ChatGPT. And they're saying like more, give me more. So I kind of wanted to add my little spin on it. So we're gonna go down a little bit, and I told him, let's make him more hip. So after I told ChatGPT to make it more hip, this is the results that we got, right? And I was like, okay, cool. This is pretty cool, but more. Give me more, ChatGPT. Give me more. And look at what it's doing. Right? And these are pretty fire images. I'm not gonna lie. These are pretty fire images. And like I said, I'm literally just talking and have a conversation back and forth with ChatGPT. So it's not that hard. Like anybody can do this. All it takes is a little bit of critical thinking, a little bit of knowledge, and you could be creating all kind of images on ChatGPT. So let's keep going. I told it more. I need it to be more hip, right? And this is what it came up with. And as you can see, it's becoming more detailed and detailed, just by me telling him, yo, give me more, all right? And this is the last prompt that I said. It was pretty cool and hilarious. I said, more. I need the most hip avatar that you can create, pushing the boundaries of your design limits. This AI avatar is so hip that it transcends time, space, and beyond. And let me show you what it did. And this was fire. This is pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the working new profile image we're gonna go with. And like I said, man, this is so easy, so easy. And yeah, of course I have to, make it a baby. We might have to go with this baby profile picture, just to start off with. But it's literally that simple, right? With AI, you can do so many different things and save so many different times, and save so much time. And I know a lot of my artists and graphic designers, even copywriters, are scared of this technology. But here's the thing, right? If you don't learn how to use these AI tools, right? Somebody that knows how to use these AI tools will replace you and become more efficient than you. This is just what it is, right? So you have to stay up to date, with the progression of AI, because what I try to tell people all the time is you have to treat AI as if it was your assistant, right? You have to treat AI as if it was your creative intern. So you have to use AI, as your partner to do anything, right? So let's stop being afraid of AI. Oh, did the jams cut off? Oh no, the jam's still on. Let's stop being afraid of AI and let's use AI to its, maximum potential, right? So, since we're doing a live demo, let me go ahead and just show you guys how to do some stuff like this in real time. So let's make him a teenager. Let's see. Let's make him a teenager. The most hip teenager of... I'm getting so excited, I'm typing fast. All... I can't spell all time. So I told ChatGPT, let's make him... I can't spell either. Let's make him a teenager. The most hip teenager. The hippest, I guess. The hippest teenager of all time. So we're going to try this live, and I'm going to show you guys, a few more of my favorite AI art generators. So show you guys how you can make art with AI, but I'm using DALL-E 3 inside of ChatGPT right now for anybody that's pulled up late. Inverted controller, what's going on? How you doing? How you feeling? Welcome, man. Welcome. Glad to have you. Do me a huge favor, hit that like, because social media don't, mess with smart, intelligent guys that's giving you guys game to help you guys navigate the future. So that would mean so much to me if you hit that like button. But let's run this prompt. Let's run this prompt and let's see what ChatGPT creates based off of this. And this is live, by the way. I haven't done this, so we're doing it straight off the rip. Straight off the rip. Inverted controller said, I already did. Hey, man, I appreciate that, my dude. I appreciate that. Hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day. And ChatGPT is loading, and here we go. It says it's creating image. So you guys are seeing real time, what ChatGPT is about to create. And like I said, you guys need to be paying attention to like stuff like this that's happening in the world, because I keep stating this in every single video, because I'm trying to tell y'all, like, I've been in the AI space for a little over a year now, and just the way that things are progressing, especially going into, the future, man, it's gonna be wild. So if you're not in tuned and like in touch with what's going on right now, you're gonna get left behind. You're gonna get left behind. So I said, let's make him a teenager, the hippest teenager of all time, and look what this created. This is pretty interesting. It says the avatar has been transformed into a super hip teenage AI character, capturing the essential youthful coolness and urban street style. Right? All right, let's just have some fun right quick since we're on the live. I'm gonna show y'all the next AI platform that y'all can do, but I just want to show you guys the possibilities. Let's have this. Let's have this avatar. Actually, no, I got something even better. Create. And like I said, this is in ChatGPT Plus. You gotta pay $20 a month to do stuff like this, but like I said, it's the best $20 I think personally I've ever spent. So let's say create an AI army saving. Let's see, saving. Why can't I spell today? Saving the world from humans. Like I just like to play around with this stuff. Yeah, if y'all can't tell by now, I like to play around with this stuff and I like to get jiggy with it. But you can do anything, or you can do anything with this. Oh, ChatGPT is talking back to me. It says creating imagery of an AI army confronting humans could evoke themes of conflict and dystopia, which may not align with positive and inclusive values. Oh, excuse me, ChatGPT. Let's focus on a more constructive and imaginative concept. How about an image that portrays a team of diverse AI characters? Each week you need to go ahead, just do what you gotta do, ChatGPT. And look at this. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty cool. And like I said, you can just type and play around with this stuff. You can type and play around with this stuff. You can literally like create stories. So if I wanted to, say, let's move these humans to another planet, right? It will create me an image of the humans going to another planet. So like, I'm an artist. You gotta get on this ASAP. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, ASAP, right now. Because there's so many things you can do with this, and you just really got to get into it and figure out how to maximize it. Because, like I said, kids that are learning this stuff right now, they're gonna be so far ahead of a lot of people, and like I said, I hate for people to get left behind, but people will. Man, if you're watching this live, I'm sure you won't. But this is the next AI generator that I'm a huge fan of. It's called Leonardo AI. Right? And with Leonardo AI, it's kind of the same thing similar to ChatGPT, but the only difference is you can type in ChatGPT like how it's kind of just doing, but you're not going to get, the same results. So you kind of do need to know a little bit more information when you're using, Leonardo AI. But like I said, I think you get like 100 credits a day. It's for free. And it's probably one of the only free AI art generators that's out there. But yeah, Leonardo is pretty tight. It's pretty tight. So you guys can definitely check that out. And like last but not least, here's the king of AI art generation, right? And I don't even think they gonna let me in here, but because you got to pay for this. I don't know how much it is. I used to have it, but I ended up canceling because I moved on to bigger and better things. But hands down, this is the #1 AI art generator. Midjourney. Like, you can create some crazy, artwork inside of Midjourney. And like, I'm gonna give y'all behind the scenes look. I usually reserve this type of stuff for my, students, but I rocks with y'all, and it's the holidays, so. But Midjourney can create some crazy images, right? I'm gonna show you guys 1 second. It can create some crazy images. I'm gonna show you guys a couple images I've created. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions for me as well. I'll answer any questions that I know about AI or whatever you guys want to talk about. Actually, not whatever you guys want to talk about, but just the power of AI, man. The power of AI. People have to like really like use this. I don't care what industry you're in, right? This is another demo that I did while we waiting on Discord to pop up, if it pops up. But you can literally just type and talk, right? Amanda and Pete go to school learning about the future of artificial intelligence. Dimensions 9x16. Oh, now you want to pop up Discord. Get the hell out of here. But yeah, you see this, right? You can see these images. Here are the images of Amanda and Pete in a futuristic classroom learning about AI, right? So you can literally like tell a story and just keep it going, right? They grow up to both have very successful careers. Here are the images showing Amanda and Pete as successful professionals in the field of artificial intelligence. And it goes deeper, man. They began to work on a top secret AI project in the basement. And you got to make sure you tell what aspect ratio. Come on, Midjourney, interrupt my story. You want to make sure, Discord, you want to make sure you're saying the aspect ratio so you can get these tall looking images as well. But you just have to go and like play with this. Working together, they create a sentient AI that goes rogue in the city. Look at this. Look at this stuff, man. Like, this is just fun as hell to just play with. So, like, you guys definitely got to get in here and just go wild. Go wild. So, let me see. Let me see if I can find my Midjourney bot. Boom, boom, boom. Actually, I'm going to type it in. See if I can spell today. Oh, right now. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys just a few images that I created inside of Midjourney. Like I said, Midjourney is one of the best AI image generators on the planet, right? It's just the detail that you can get in Midjourney is so great. Look at Kamala Harris, right? I got Kamala Harris right next to an AI bot that's about to go crazy. There's some more cool ones I made. I think I was making YouTube videos talking about this. But yeah, just the images are like fire. And like how I was saying earlier, you have to be very detailed with the prompts in order to get the best images with Midjourney. It's not like Discord, not Discord. It's not like ChatGPT where you can just have a conversation yet, but you can create some crazy images inside of Midjourney. I'm trying to see some more fire ones, just some more different ones. And let me know if I'm moving too fast as well. But yeah, Midjourney is pretty fire. Definitely pretty far. I don't know if you guys can see the pictures clearly, but Midjourney, what I will say, it has the most realism out of all the apps. It has the most realism, and there's just so many, like, as I'm recording this video right now, the pictures look even better, right, than these ones that I made. I made these in July, but the pictures look even better, They look way better than this. So definitely check out Midjourney. You have to pay. They have a free trial as well, but by the time you get done with the free trial, you won't even know what you're doing. So if you're an artist, definitely I would say subscribe to Midjourney. News anchors in the media smiling, using their knowledge to mislead the people. Hey, but that's what they be doing, man. They be capping. That's why I'm here to give you that real. But yeah, man, that's it as far as the best AI art generators. I just wanted to jump in and make this quick live video showing people how you can create AI images. We didn't get into Leonardo AI, but honestly, Leonardo AI is kind of the same as Midjourney. Midjourney is better, but with Leonardo AI, you would use like some of these like same prompts, right? You use some of these same prompts and you just go crazy. ChatGPT, or DALL-E 3 inside of ChatGPT, I like it the most because you can just simply have a conversation back and forth with it, and it can give you some like really impressive images. And that's what we made the new profile picture with. We made it with DALL-E 3. So my dog's calling, so I gotta get ready to feed him before he goes crazy on me. But hope you guys have a great and wonderful rest of your day. Let me know any of your thoughts, questions below in the comments. Be sure to follow the TikTok, YouTube. Do all the TikTok and YouTube crap that all these YouTubers and whatnot tell you, because we're going up, man. We're going into the year going full, like, we going crazy, man. Y'all thought we was dropping AI content this year? Nah, we going hella crazy with the AI content within the next coming year, and we're just gonna continue to provide value and continue to just give you guys all the latest AI gems and strategies and all the tools that you need. And if you want to learn how you can use AI inside of your business, inside of your strategy and whatnot, check out the links in the description. You can work with me. You can work with me one-on-one. You can join our mentorship group. All that stuff, man. But make sure you guys soak up all this free content in the free game before you hit them links in the description. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? Eat up all the free game first before you take the next step. Yeah, man. We up from here, man. AI is here, and we have to learn how to use it to our advantage. We have to learn how to use AI to our advantage, because unfortunately, like I said, the people that aren't using AI are gonna get left behind. So, all love, peace, love, and positivity, man. You guys have a great and the rest. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Let me know what you guys, let me know what kind of topics you guys want me to cover next in the AI space. I made over hundreds of videos covering the AI space, so stay plugged in with your boy, giving you all the gems and AI strategies to prepare you for the next industrial revolution. So, all love, peace, and positivity. Shout out to Inverted Controller. Shout out to you for pulling up, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next live video. Peace.